Hi everyone, and thank you again for visiting our channel. Today we're doing a video on how to turn on a gas stove. Now you may be thinking, why am I doing such a silly little video? But some people are used to all electric stoves, or they've moved from other places where they're not used to the North American electric / gas stove that we typically have in our homes. As well, some people don't know how to use their stove if there happens to be a power outage, and that's what this video will show you. So typically, gas stoves in North America are both electric and gas. What that means is there's an igniter system which ignites the actual burner that turns on the flame, and that's controlled by electricity, and then the gas portion keeps it burning so that you can cook. This is a typical knob that you see on stoves. You can see there's an off position, and there's a light, and then it goes from high all the way down to low. And then it's put on to the actual control panel. So usually the off position is top when it's not on, and then you turn it counterclockwise to turn it on. I'll demonstrate. To turn on the stove, typically you push in the button and turn it to the light position, and you'll hear it clicking. The clicking is the igniter, and then it ignites the gas, and then you set the control to whatever setting you want it to. And then to turn it off, you just turn it clockwise all the way to the off position. It cuts off the gas and it turns off the stove. Now, what happens if your electricity goes out? The igniter won't work, so it won't ignite the gas. So what you need is a manual way of doing it. A match will work, or even one of these handy lighter pens. Matches tend to be shorter, so it might be a bit more dangerous if you happen to ignite the flame and the flames are pretty high, so I recommend using one of these igniter pens. So without the igniter working, you just set your stove onto the setting you want it to. You could hear this hissing. Turn it on, and that's how you turn on a stove without the igniter. And then you just set it to the off position to turn it off. And that's it. Hopefully you found this video informative. If you did, please subscribe, hit like, and leave a comment. Thank you.